nowadays a lot of them have night shifts as well. This is one very common question we keep getting.
Yes.
Where either the wife or the husband, they're on night shift, and this is something that they can't avoid, or they can't change it to a day shift, or they can't quit their job due to their circumstances, of course. So in that case, knowing that sleep is so important, what can they do? Is that a problem, or can they still work around it?
So people should understand one small concept, that for your country, when you're working, then there are people in the night shift who are working for another country time zone. Then why people in that country are not working? Because they are very specific about their work hours. Everywhere around the world, there is a work-life balance that people look for, quality of life that they look for. They don't look into competitiveness. They look for what they are receiving in terms of their life and what is the quality that they are getting, and they never compromise. Asians in fact are very competitive, and they compromise their quality of life, they compromise their family life to reach into the game of competitiveness and go into the hierarchy and achieve certain goals, which in fact from one end, if you think, it might be good, but the other end, it is very tasking in terms of affecting your personal life. So personal life, work-life balance is very, very important, and it is something that every couple should look forward to. And even if you are overachievers, at the end of 20-30 years, you will ultimately realize that you've lost the golden years of your life struggling, making a living, and raising to the expectations and the drive that it gave.
Right.
You cannot get your 20s and 30s back in your 50s. In your 50s, your 50s only. You cannot get that young life back. So stop securing your 50s and 60s. Secure your 20s and 30s the way they have to be.
Right.
It is all about what your priorities are.
So since we were talking about sleep, is quality of sleep more important, or is the quantity, or is it both?
It is always the time of sleep that matters. You sleep 8 hours from morning 2 o'clock to 10 o'clock, that's not right. It's always advisable to sleep before 10 o'clock so that your midnight hormone release, your body repair mechanism, your growth hormone release happens only after you're doing deep sleep for 2-3 hours. So that's around 1 o'clock. So if you sleep before 10, it's a very ideal situation for your midnight hormone release. In fact, sun drives all this. Sunset, melatonin, sleep, midnight hormone, sunrise, again it starts. So if you're going against the sun cycle, the circadian rhythm, it is always going to land you into problems. For me, I'm taking a lot of leverage saying before 10 o'clock. Actually, it is supposed to be before 8 o'clock.
Oh my God.
At sunset, finish your food. After that 2 hours, you sleep off. That was the norm. That was the norm, and look back just 20-30 years back, everybody used to follow that. Then what is the wrong thing that we have done in the last 10-20 years that has landed us into this condition of childlessness, and also this condition of a high incidence of non-communicable diseases like obesity, diabetes, hypertension, metabolic syndrome, and cancers? It's only lifestyle.
Right.
It's only lifestyle and your choices, your food, your pattern of living that has given all this. Even humanity has successfully eliminated so many, infectious diseases with technology. But what humanity is not able to eliminate is non-communicable diseases, which is because of lifestyle. And it's going to be a pandemic in future that we're going to land into problems that we own created for our luxury.